Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Well, and now is the making of the life. Well, now you want loud noise in the life. Eh? Alright, now I'm going to stop this and start it back here. Oh, it stopped? Oh, it got? Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, a good morning to you, but a good night to me. Right away, people, know it going on. Support Jamaica.gov.jm. Alright. Well, go on, Dr. Mark. There, man. So people don't know a Thailand there, you know. And we are 12 hours ahead, I don't know. So at 8:58 p.m. right now. At 8:58 a.m. phone I don't. Down here, go on. Latisha. Well, I don't want to say too early for enough for on the bed. I said, Dr. Mark, look lushly in the morning, dog. You know, easy, you know. But, God's daughter, so you want to live when you broke down. Just cool, man. Karen Robinov. Nikki, what go on? Dr. Mark, you told lie about you just done beard. You lying, man. Stacey, you are tell lie too, you know, you probably don't ever wake up yet, boy, your beard and brush your teeth. And listen, Raga come out of man's place before him reach. No, man. I want him to Ellie. Now my year what go on. You see me, you know. Me not go lie, you know. One time I did on a Bonaman move, you know. And got drop asleep at a place, you know. A big no that, you know. You can't be a Bonaman, you know. And go to the woman yard, and after you done work, you go drop asleep, you know. 2 times, well, one time was a Bonaman move, and the next time was just the wrong woman that, you know, drop asleep around them woman there. So 2 times I made a mistake there and I passed, you know. Right? Me and a woman who I know say she a punk out. You see what I say? Shut her works and then go drop asleep. And certain things go over, run up, you know. But next time I was a boner man, you see what I say? And shut the work and go drop asleep. A problem, you know. And if I get up and splurt, man. And the boss forward, you know. So from them time, I'm gonna do them thing there again, you know. So I'm gonna drop asleep. When I dip on certain move. Loving this, big up yourself, you know. Stay as the ear changer. Martin, what? Janet. Oh, I got on a perfume thing there. I mean, it smell good. Now, man, I'm there Thailand now. Who don't know Thailand? I'm there Thailand. So over here hot. So you don't know why, you know, if I live in Thailand, no, I'm just stay over here. Because I line up a group trip for next year, you know. So I don't know where I line up a group trip for next year. Next year, November, TamFam travel. TamFamers, I'm going to come on the group trip to Thailand. So I line it up, you know. You see what I say? Spiritually blessed. I'm there, man. So if you miss me, I'm there. Mr. Wacky, aka Squeaky, behave yourself. Okay, leave the woman alone. Terry Strawberry, what go on? Terry, you see you? Terry, you're going too bad for my day, you know, Terry. You're going, no, Terry, you need some talking to. You're going too bad for my day, Terry. Naked Couture, big up yourself, you know, my friend. Large up, you know, Nikki, everything is everything, though. Nikki Couture. Boy, Nikki, Melissa, mash up your man, take up here, Oshia Mama. You don't know people. You don't know the thing there, and I know say somehow, I say, boy, I know I'm going to put together something and thing. People will do it, you know, right? But if I can't buy it, you hush, Nikki, hush. You play some mash up. Because I know your side that over there in the West, you know. All I know myself, TamFam, to put together something and thing. If you really need me to do that, me do it, but I prefer not to do that. I rather want to just go to supportjamaica.gov. I want to just go over there, so man. Right? Robert Thompson, big up. I want to go over there so and just contribute. You see what I say? right? If you don't really need me to do it, me do it. But I rather want to just go over there and just contribute to the thing on myself. You understand? Oh, we're 12 hours ahead here. We're 12 hours ahead here in Thailand. No. Who that I said follow my new page? Me not do that in here, so here. Oh, American Express and you too. American Express Consult. No, I don't do that in my life here. I don't do that in my life here. American Express Consult, I don't do that here. Just so you know, we don't do that over here because once you do it for one person, 10 million people want to come do it and then take over your life and be advertising going in your life. I'm going to depend on somebody. Yeah? Yes, Dr. Mark, never say what is what, but let me give some people some time first, you know, because who can do it themselves, my brother? You know, them go do it themselves. Yes, we're 12 hours ahead over here in Thailand. Yeah, 12 hours ahead. See one squeaky, I say hi to everybody. Squeaky, as long as squeaky, let me tell you from now, any of the woman them complain, say you bother them again, I go block you. Oh, don't tell you already. Okay, so just behave yourself and bother the woman them. No, I'm over Thailand. I line up a trip for next year, you know. Terry Strawberry. So Terry, where your picture there? Terry, where your picture there? CBS, Wagwan Bobo. Wagwan. Where's my table? No, Terry, I don't see a picture, you know. Oh, I'm there, CBS, I'm there, your boy is here. Ragashanti. Oh, and Ragashanti, you know. Oh, and Ragashanti. Oh. People, when you talk about foundation, so foundation there. Yeah, when you ever big up people like Ragashanti, and then people that used to run off on wall and lock off on wall, you know. When Raga just a roll out, you know, them days there, you know. Yeah, nobody can tell me nothing about Ragashanti, you know, especially name Ragashanti and the name never change. Alright, so now don't get it twisted here. Look at charge that right there, so here. Mr. Walking, nobody say no hello to Ragashanti. Nobody say no hello to her. You're too enough, man. Just stay in there. Nobody say hello to nobody. Squeaky, nobody say hello to nobody. Don't say hello to nobody, Squeaky. Just chill. Just like you go in at the dance and you stand up in one corner and you're not even say nothing to nobody. See? You go in at the dance like a G and you stand up in a corner, you lost wings and you beat 2 guineas and you're not allowed up a thing. Squeaky, not say hello to nobody. You're too blood clot enough. You see, as Ragashanti come, you run and say hello to her. That's your problem. You're too blood clot be your face. You're not chill. You can't come in one life and just chill, Squeaky, and not say nothing to nobody. Not say nothing to nobody, man. Yes, I. Jared, wait, there's somebody in the, somebody in there. Let me see what I got on this. Oh, this. Oh, I think somebody there. I think somebody in there. I think somebody in that box, you know. Doctor man, come now. Hey, doctor man. Come now. Come in my couch. Come in my couch. Yeah, well, you know, when you sit down, you have to fix up what to fix up. You see what I'm saying? I got evoking, where I going? Forgive every love. And what you up to? Cover up, Terry. Terry, we don't cover up, man. Lion Queen, where I going? Sonia, we can't bother with you, you know. No, woman. Yeah. Alright, so we're more comfortable, you know. What print out? You Terry, you see you? You see you? I don't know what I talk about, you know. Dream chaser, what you up to? Lion Queen. How are you, sir? Please don't show off for good. Please, ma'am. How are you, sir? Please don't show off for good. Please, ma'am, beg you. Alright, forgive me, love. But now let them see a thing here. Because you don't know, say I hear something, you know. Latisha said, leave me husband. Christina Boasy ear door closed. No door not closed. You're too light. John, hold on. I want for turn or something. Oh, hold on. People check that. Let me see what I'm gonna say. Look for something in that fridge again. Lion Queen. Chevy, I don't know what you talk about, you know, you're in a different world, you know. Tony Labelle, big up yourself. Simone D. Manning. I also have baby oil. I don't have baby oil over here, I'm wicked. Right? This is not puffy thing, you understand? I mean, I want to, just because I puffy, you not baby oil. Well, the rainy season just done, you know. Ellie, the rainy season just done over here. And look at rainfall today, but when you get in November, the nice part are coming in, you know. But the rainy season done at the end of October. But, you know, it kind of come over, you know. That's why the trip we may do for we next year, we'll come here like down in November, you know. When you know the rainy season done and everything good. One mean I said, Raga, how we gonna do this because it's night from you and we at work. Me and they got no easy, man. So you just get to work with me in the night, you know. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. We have the night though. Amis, Thailand. Lion Queen, oh you mean? Lion Queen me the boss of Jim Screechy, you know? Yo. When I was a boner man, me was the best boner man there is. Because nobody no screechy more, and nobody no screechy wickeder than me. You see what I say? And no man no protect the woman who are born with him. Rosemary over here in Thailand, I lie. Which part of Thailand you there? Me dey have Sukhumvit. Me dey have Sukhumvit over Tonglor. In I center, where you there? Oh, Thailand is beautiful. Like, really beautiful. You just left, okay. You just left Bangkok. Where you going, Chiang Mai or Phuket? In Rosemary, where you going, Chiang Mai or Phuket or wherever? Or, I know say you going, Chiang Mai, you going back? Okay. Rosemary, I've never been to Chiang Mai, you know. I know say, everything I read and everything they tell me about it over here, my type of place that, you know. It's more mellow than BBK. You live in Chiang Mai, I lie. Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai. Oh, okay. No man, me have to go up there, man. Me have to go up there, you know. I mean, we go the next time we come, me have to go up there, man. What's up, pretty Nikki? Wanna go and boo-boo? What's up, Queen? Ellie, you go everywhere. No, man, I'm never show no more right, man. I'm never say my day until next week, you know. Oh yeah, I know that Jamaican restaurant there. They near which part me there because they have Sukhumvit. Hey, Raga, can't. Shunil? Big up yourself, Shunil. Big up yourself. Me, when you say you're in love with Thailand, don't. Thailand nice, man. And just want to remind you, I'm taking a group trip there next year, November 2026. You can check out the preliminary information at tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, okay? Yeah, man, there's a Jamaican restaurant in China. There's a Jamaican restaurant everywhere. Right? There's a Jamaican restaurant everywhere. But the food over there though. Boy, Rosemary. So Rosemary, you live here permanently now? Terry, just cool, man. More I see everything then I want tree that, man. Yeah? Terry, you know our thing different, you know, so I say a word, man. So then Terry, so I don't go the way you were, and I think so we look to. Yeah, we look to. Yeah. So I them tight up the way you were, Terry, and I think so we look to. Yeah, man, we look to. Some of them sexy outfit the way you are. Ah, people. It's the old giant, you know. You understand? The one Munchie, you know, say she not beard. Because Munchie not beard early. I worry yourself, Simone D, everything proper, man. Anyway, when I can come up and I chat if you know why I know. Karen Rubin, you want to talk me? I want to me, you know. Jesus, Karen, the way I read the thing, you know. Me never see the end, the way through the white, through me in a white. Me never see the end. So the only part where me say, Raga, I want to talk you. Saying I know say, me dey confuse one letter there so. But me I say, but no, I know she that, she not talk so. I see it say, Raga, I want to talk you. But me confuse one letter and you know, my mind kind of smut a little bit, you know. But it's a good thing to see the in after, you know, to the in the blend with the white. You see what I say? More will not feel same. And that more and that you think you need to know same thing. No, more and that you think you need to know. Ja, no. You have to read it twice, though. Yeah. And that thing we say, because I never see the in, you know, because the in, the white, the blend in, it did not scroll up on the white. And I have Karen said, Rock, I'm done with you already, don't. Yeah, in your mind, don't it, Karen, you shell me. Ja, no. You shell me out already, don't you, Karen? Yo, Karen, you know, easy, you know, can't manage you sometimes, you know, John, no. You know what I mean? Slap with that, yes, a long time. Yeah. Rub off a thing with that and thing, shell out the one around a long time, what you mean? Handle your business, yes, queen. Oh, somebody in my box. man, Margaret.
Debo, what go on?
Then I have a family with us.
No, so me there do. Yeah, you know,
Singing away
Thailand,
out.
come on with that thing, you know?
You see it.
Yeah, man, me there, man,
I
yeah.
set up a trip for next. I set up a trip for next year, you know.
Yeah, man, I say things set, man. So me there, I'm gonna go one
See
place,
it
I'm gonna
there.
do one drug test, you know the CDL thing I set up. Of them drug
Oh, a
tests.
drug test.
Yeah.
Oh, see it there.
They want me to go do a drug test, and I go shot you real quick, but me stop at one place and look at your freshener for the carrier, you know?
See it there. See it there. Car have to smell good.
Yeah, man, so everything balanced though.
Everything. More will not fear. Raga, how tall are you? 6'2". Yeah, everything balance up, man.
Okay. Yeah, man, yellow TamFam
Everything
and yellow for
set and
everybody, you
thing.
know?
It goes around me and I'm your business, you know, because I know say you have to pass a drug test there, you know, so.
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah.
thing, you
Yeah.
know.
No, no, if you stop it.
Alright, I say a word here.
Come on, balance. Look more. Blessings. I yell up everybody.
I'm a general, cool.
Uh,
Yeah, man, you can't hang up?
yeah, man.
Alright, hang up, man, cool. Jody, how with the bad mind for? Jody, how with the bad mind for? Eh? My girl, bad mind a fit you, you know. Go easy, man. You know what the bad mind for. We come by here with the bad mind for. A school, man. No, Sandra have a place, you know. Thailand have a place, you know, so. Grenada Queen, Wagwan. Sonia, a Thailand with a Jody. Awa, you have a problem with it? Sonia, I'm not hear you. Sonia. I want to a Canada thing, man. I saw feeling things to a Canada, you know. If I couldn't bring you, Jody, of course I could have bring you, but you know, I bring you. Would have too busy, you know. And then I bring you, you know what have to go on, you know, so. Are you coming down to Chiang Mai for the festival? No, about the live festival, that you talk about, Rosemary. Eh? Our night. Oh, the four, oh, Sonia Sarah phone me. Yo, Rosemary, when is the live festival? This week? Boom, John. Which day it start? Oh, because, no, but hold on, because we not do summer for the Queen. No, it start, no Friday it start. Because they not do summer for the Queen. I think I see them do summer for the Queen. But Friday, I go down to Phuket, you know. I set up a trip for next year, you know. You know, Rosemary. TamFam travel. You know, Reggae always I do all kind of sitting, you know. TamFam travel, I set up a trip for next year, the 5th and the 6th. Oh. So hold on, I could have shot it up there. So with the Rosemary, what time in the day it go on? Solid, wagwan, Sandy solid. A Thailand with the boot, Thailand with the you don't know. Me give them white to the car over your hat, you know. Yeah. South Asia over your hat, you see what I say? Some just give them a white today, you know. The 5th and the 6th for the Light Festival. Big up yourself, solid. In the afternoon. So basically, yeah, but how long are the train ride for go up there? The train ride long down about some 4 or 5 hours or so, or something like so. Come here one day, I could have see this and Jocelyn, man. Me one day, I could go up there and come back at night, but that can't really work. Me and I said, Raga, I can't manage to eat my soon pause. What kind of eat? Where you mean now? What kind of eat you feel right now? I wish part to eat. I wish part to eat them, you know. 10 hours? No, man, I'm not gonna be able to do that time forward, you know. Oh, in Thailand? Nah, man, then right now, me under my AC in a hotel. Yeah, you know, me under my AC in the hotel. And then now, like the trip I do next year, in November I come to, you know, but later down in November, you know. And then time that the sun not so bad, you know. Oh, okay. You're in Florida now, you're at that age. Okay, I know what I go on this. Alright, yeah, I go through it now, though. Yeah, we're in that age group there, you know, so. Yeah, the pause thing there, you see? Beat, you know. Why I don't know why that have to last so long. Hey, that lasted on some 10, 12 years or something, man, you know. Yeah, I know. That rough. Yes, so people, I'm mostly morning. Gramps Morgan, big up yourself, my brother. Gramps Morgan, big up yourself. Jody, I want you still a bad mind, though. Dollar, you go through the past since 2016. Bomba, 9 years that though. You know, I never know say it could have go so long. Everybody tell Gramps Morgan good morning, alright? Jody, I approach at that age, my dear. Jody, move from me, so go your approach. What kind of age? Go from me, so man. You know they know where close to that the age. Everybody big up my brother Gramps Morgan. And follow him. You understand? So Jody, where you come over here with a bad mind for? Eh? Where you come over here with a bad mind for, Jody? Wait, our Gram said to Jody. Oh, okay. Raga, did you experience shopping on the train line? Yeah, man, no, man, I do that already from when I come before. I not really rate that train line something there, you know. It's not much. You just see the train come down and think. Boasy boy fly, what go on? Boasy boy fly, tell them who gave the name Boasy boy fly. Tell them who gave the name Boasy boy fly. Or Jody said, you just spread out upon my name like how you spread out upon the couch. Me spread out upon your name. Eh? Jody not about to talk about spread out, you know. Okay, Jody not about to talk about spread out. No go there, sucker. You can't manage something there. Jody, you cannot manage something there. Yes, a Boasy boy Floyd said, no, you John Crow. Who I mean, give him the name Boasy boy Floyd. Right? Because you don't know. When him start juggling with me and I put him on my show, I say, yo, big man, I not call him a pretty boy Floyd, you know, I not depend that with you, you know. Right? And I may change his name to Boasy boy Floyd. Yeah. I'm telling him, so I not call him a pretty boy Floyd. Grams Morgan say Munchie, I tell you good morning there. Grams Morgan, do me a favor there, Grams. Do me a favor. You see that girl when you Munchie? Tell her to like start being regular for me now. Please, may I ask you, please and thanks. Grams, tell her to just start being regular. She will listen to you, cause you know them respect you and whatever, because all me try to get her to be a regular. She'll get the thing a fight, you know. I want to see base we are running and go see. Munchie say grab small and ask you if I true. Watch out, boy, if you come bite her. My girl, I never bite you, you ever like it. You go say bite me again, when you bite so nice. And that you that tell me. Munchie, anyone bite you, that's a bite me again. You know, say, vampire Raga, come bite me, though. Yeah. John, when he was a vampire, I don't know if you want to bite him, and that man tell you, yeah. Let's see what I'm going on here. Oh, this. Buck, my bridge and I rolling and all. Right. John Crow, go on.
We are going with Big Boss.
One day I know by night Thailand, you know.
Oh.
Where you up to?
I know some of there I gotta give thanks. I'm glad to see you, cause a long time you ain't have a conversation, brother.
See there.
But thanks to the name though, cause for you say Boasy, you know, man, everything get Boasy down here, you know.
Cool man, don't say another word, man.
But me never like the part where you talk about. Me never like the part where you talk about. You know what I call them all pretty. Remember, Pretty Boy Floyd was a notorious gunman, you know.
Yeah, but yeah, in the Italian mafia, you know, dangerous code. But,
Yeah, man.
you know, in a Jamaica context and thing, we have to give one different name. I don't want an argument probably about it either. Oh.
No, but remember, sir, you always tell me something. Remember, you always tell me something if I have confidence in myself with wings.
Jano. Anybody all of the original TamFam of them when you don't know, so when Raga start up, Mixup and Blenda and thing and whatever. And the thing a shot and then Floyd come in and him telling them that have to fly out regular. And it was a joy if you know so I can go and so on. He said, Floyd, run this show. And when we come back there, I said, Raga Floyd deal with the thing wicked. He showed it nice.
But we are talking about all when we used to keep backyard man here, you come off a flight and you come here, you fly the up, let's say, Mr. Raga, the ladies, them wait for you. I just say, all right, start the show in 10 minutes, may I make it. And by 5 minutes, you left the airport, you reach. Me I said, then, I wish part the plane let you off. Them time that,
fly before you go on, just real quick. We have one young lady over here, she not like Bade, she in a chat, she named Munchie. Just give her a quick talk for me, because I know you have something there. She not like Bade, man. She got Long Island, New York, but she not like Bade. So, Just give her a quick talk there for me. She named Munchie in that chat.
No,
Encourage her
but
to be. Just talk to
but
her.
for she name Munchie, Bade in her thing, brother. Anybody when name Munchie not like Bade for a long time. I not just know.
And you said the Munchie them not like me.
Yeah, man, them munch from the water, brother. Them not like Bade, brother.
I
The way
saw,
them,
I true, man.
the way them not like Bade, they give them little water for drink. Hear them now? You mad?
People, you know, say me I notice something. My socks look dirty, you know. But I true me I want new slippers, you know, so I don't want to think some of that. I people in country I wear dirty socks, you know. And you see the way me feel about them something I thought. I don't even have a toe. I don't even like how the socks they look, you know, so go on talk. Supply, what go on?
You know, some of there, you know, when Munchie used to go school, Raga, all the teacher mark register and a call our government name, she not answer.
Nah, why?
Because remember said the teacher no used to the pet name. So the pet name she have wait
Oh.
for fear the teacher said Munchie, but I no Munchie she have on the register.
But like, you know, oh, she come up and come pick up them carelessness and because
I call my
her mother said, no, but her mother said she used to be here when she got to Jamaica, so I don't know.
She used to get beaten for being.
Yeah, her mother said she used to be here when she got to Jamaica and she come up a foreign and I don't know, she pick up this.
Remember foreign
this thing
change
and whatever.
people in the Raga.
But what she have malice the bathroom for?
Well,
What she have malice the bathroom for?
probably she probably she have that something there when they call it where people can't go in a closed environment for too long. She some clover word.
She what?
The clover first.
She what is something name Floyd say?
The clover first.
Well, she clover what? Well, Floyd, say it what? You said she clover first thing no. Me know a claustrophobic, you know. Well, Floyd, you know see the video from a page with the boy where he might commentate on the Melissa thing and he might go in and Boasy with a man talk, you know. And the dog was zero visibility. The dog was zero visibility, you know. Yo, that Floyd, in general, take me out there. Okay, I lose laughing with that. You know, I said, no, I want to have a post and give the people them some relief in our misery with this Melissa thing, yeah, man. I laughed till a week. So when you say claustrophobic, what clover fasting, no?
Oh man, you know when they're going, to one place and all the roof low and it tight, you just get close. The word there, man.
No, well, I dress up that do enough, like.
Eh?
Dress up that. You need to fix up. You know what you answer, but you never say it right.
What?
No, a while ago you said like, you talk to me and you say, you know, when you're going on something tight and, you know, you too like it.
No, but remember, say I still Munchie with that one, you know. I still Munchie with that
No,
one.
remember say you talk. Yeah, but when you talk to me, don't tell me about if my
Yeah, but
going on
Raga,
something
remember,
tight and I don't like it.
Raga, remember you're a professor. And we're having a brief conversation.
I know, but don't tell me about Raga. You
Oh,
know
but you
you're going on
accept the
something
brief,
tight
but you
and-
know, accept the tight.
No, I don't accept.
But you
Hey,
say,
Floyd, you know, say if you go
Mr. When we have, Mr.
Like-
But we're having a brief conversation here, you know, yeah, me know about the tight.
no, hey, you hear me answer. You hear me answer. I hear me answer. Don't tell me about me going in anything tight. I mean, I'm comfortable or something like that. All right? Tight is good.
Yes. But
Wait, so
remember,
Munchie with that one.
Remember, a
Eh?
man of your, a
I'm
man
a,
of your, a man of your caliber,
I'm an
a man,
what?
a man of your standard. You know, so the anti-Dana movement, Raga man.
It's an antidote. It's a man of my caliber, though.
Remember, remember, remember anti-Dana, they try pronounce a word and I hell it strangler, you know, man. I shot the
No,
plank
man.
out. Yeah?
No, but you know, me like with Auntie Dana, she laugh it off and just joke it out, you know. All the while, you know, man.
Yeah. But Raga, on a
Yeah,
serious note, you
man.
know, brother. On a serious note,
Yeah.
I'm going to get the platform on me can tell you. Thank you for that little
Yeah.
exposure there back in the days because it helped propel the career to a different level and see them still relevant up to today day, you know, brother.
Give thanks, man. I
Yeah,
say a
man.
word, man.
I
See?
remember you always say we for grow, you know, laugh and grow. And that
Laugh,
is
learn,
exactly
and
what.
grow.
Hey, me remember the boss
And
I
what me
built the
always
number.
say,
Hey, Raga, you know, say you didn't forget runner from Jamaica a long time still.
why?
Some nastiness where you put on stage and never say backstage, you know, on stage, you know. Me see people can
No,
wash
but
pan.
fly. Yeah. Fly, when you say nastiness, make the people them know say you mean that creative and unusual stuff, and that you
No man,
mean people,
creative.
you know, mean actual nastiness here.
No
Because I know
man,
see some of them,
they Raga for
no, some of
anybody.
them will take it and run with it, you know. Yeah.
Anybody can come out in a public and beat them man stage. And nastiness that man.
And I had rules about it, though. Them can't make it. At the minimum, them have to have on them undergarments.
Yeah,
Women
but
have to have on at least
sometimes
a
some of the
brassiere and
undergarments them.
panty.
Sometimes some of the undergarments them will expose it better than they just take it off.
Yeah, I come in and hold it dress and I said, no, but you can't go on stage with that, man. No, panty don't look right at all. I said, rather, but I'm a panty woman. I said, I know, but you cannot go on stage in that one. You can't. Your panty are old. And I said, I no fly, you know, I said, me buy a panty. I buy a panty 2 times. I buy a panty at Jamaica. And when one time we go foreign and thing and I buy clothes, I buy a barrage of panty and bring them here. Like nice panty. And
Eh,
I give her different panty. Well, I know, fly. When I give her the panty, them, you know, I say, here what I go on, you know. I say, this is that set of panty here, them
yeah.
copper panty here, them comfortable and them breathe nice. These are what you have to wear to work and you wear in general. And I say, you see them full one, you know, they make your period panty, you know. Still cotton, whatever. I say, you see, them are two, whatever, but them have the period panty, them and whatever. One of them, and then maybe here are some lace one and thing, and I said, them here now, we have a dash out and the Boasy or whatever. She laugh your phone.
But
Yeah,
Raga,
man.
it was a it was a
A
panty
four
set.
different set of panty me give her, man. Hey, fly,
You,
me love buy dress woman, you know.
eh?
Me love buy drawers and underwear for woman. I love it,
Oh,
man.
but you realize say you are one panty specialist, man.
Yes, man. Yes, because you know, me love take them off back, so me like when time them, you know. Me love buy lingerie and panty and them stuff that woman. You know what I say?
Mm.
I know if I pick the one that will fit the personality of the woman, you know.
Then you have panty for
I know.
personality too.
Oh, you mean no man? Them panty not go with personality. Like you never there with a woman and you know say no, come on, fishy.
Thank.
No, some listen, make we keep it 100. Some women have the body for tongue, yeah? Some women
Eh,
don't have tongue body, so you don't buy them tongue underwear. Them don't have tongue body.
Raga, don't chastise me
Eh?
for this. Don't chastise me for this. But just imagine, you get ready for go eat a plate of stew peas, and when you go on our TikTok and Rosalie, you see now one tongue.
Like, make I tell you something. No, when I want you listen. Make me just be open with it. You know, you probably never go why. Let me tell you something. You see the Jamaican them where are run TikTok and whatever. Me can't manage them. Right? It's a Rosalie.
Yeah.
Me no want Rosalie come take me on and things. So me no want you call Rosalie name like that. This I me no want. If Rosalie start doing me right, I know me I go just calm and shut my mouth and kind of bill and clutch. You see what I say?
No, but
It's a Rosalie, the Cabby, the Ivani, and the I can't manage them.
all right. All right, I can tell you something, you know, so me was one of the first person who was sure Rosalie love before she explode. One day she come up at Lucky Crabs, her birthday. And Raga, here the woman, yeah, come there Lucky Dollar, and on my birthday, I'm going to big up Boasy Boy Floyd, because I him show me, I say, hey, Rosalie, a Lucky Crab, there, no Lucky Dollar.
A Lucky Dollar, she said, they're Lucky Crab, no. No, Floyd, I can't manage Rosalie and them and the TikTok thing where them are going with for them thing different, my lad, so.
No,
You
from when I play no match, nobody now screen record it, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Okay, no, okay, because I can't manage them.
But you can
Yeah,
still
man,
beg,
them and them.
you can still beg somebody to tap up his screen still a Raga, no, because you need a Raga, you know, your platform big, you know. How much
You
roses
must
you
have
want?
never told you that so. Me not told you that something that when if them do it, you know, no give thanks. But now man, they will tell them man, me no bother people for them something. And them do it all the while anyway. Them do it all the while anyway. But I know something, you know when me ask them for do, me will ask people to follow me and me will ask people to subscribe.
Yeah. But Raga, you know, say what them I do right now, are you create that the platform the long time for national radio?
No, I'm not national radio. Floyd, did you know that Ragashanti is the first Jamaican to go live on the internet?
Raga, you not them not just tell you that a while ago, so whatever them I do right now, what you done with long time.
Oh no, to you say radio and thing.
No
The
man, and you
only
create
Jamaican.
you was a master of mix up in a brother. You orchestrate mix up, you get
No,
mixed
when
up
I
with
say
people.
Tambourine radio started by going live on the internet. At the time YouTube don't even boss it. At the time Google don't even buy YouTube. I think you know around early them time. Yeah. And the only Jamaican entity when they on the internet, when you go on the internet, was IRFM.
Right.
And that was a radio station and they used to chart. But yeah, IRFM first they go on the internet. And think like I say a Jamaican somewhere produce a Jamaican product. It was IRFM, a radio station. But like individually, like a single person who have a life on the internet. I Ragashanti are the first one, man. With Tambourine radio, man. And Outard and them days, they don't.
Remember say you make them change mass camp to stadium, you know.
No, that's not me.
Oh, you mean that on you then Raga remember say you keep the last biggest show we keep in a mass camp when it dep on Oxford Road. You forget that?
No, hold on, man. The woman who run it, Miss Molly, said when time we do the clash between Biggie and Shibada,
right.
Miss Molly said she has never seen so many people in a mass camp before. She said she never saw an event with so many people that could turn back a mass camp, right?
Remember say me take the boots in from you and when me da go attack Shibi, you know, man, Bunny them say, no man, whenever come here for that car, we da go right off.
Bunny drive Shibi, No, because after Shibi shell out Biggie, you know, I mean, I send you, for walk up and go take her and Shibi, are you ready? You know, Bunny say, I'm
no,
say, Bunny, why she bad that
no, man, remember me send two missile off and we're connecting our crowd, man. I saw come Bunny drive, man, you know.
No, Bunny drive, man. I say, Bunny, where you driving for your Bunny, man? Now protect my investment.
Yeah,
But Floyd, big and serious. You think it would have managed Shibi do? She be dangerous, you know.
Me know say him dangerous, but him never ripe like when him ripe. No, mood try to take him on now. He never ripe like now.
No, man.
We are so Raga,
Shabba,
man.
you never think that she did rough them time then?
Yeah, him did rough, but him never rough like when him rougher now. Me I tell you, them me must go out there with confidence, you know.
Yeah,
And,
remember when you
and
show
then
up
at the end of
crocodile.
the day, at the end of the day, we did just want to give them a good show that night there. For make them
A good show,
remember mass camp that night there. You understand me?
You remember when crocodile did around it? Well, you know how you get bossy now? You know how you start working with me?
Crocodile.
Yeah, up a black and place there at Portmore when they keep a mix up and blender. And crocodile, you know, shell out the people then. And you come on, and you walk up and take him on, and deal with him billions. And that's when you start work with the crew.
Crocodile see me differently as a Floyd. You could have low me, make me get the little forward in a brother. You just come spoil the party. You know? Hey, and when we tell crocodile say beauty was measured by electricity, would that be a total blackout?
Boom. Yo, if beauty was measured by electricity, you'd have be a total blackout.
Yep. My crocodile is black, you know, man.
Yeah.
You know, I'm to the little out of that big woman there. She's supposed to pass off, Raga. The one where you used to call Miss, what's her name? Miss, one little old woman, man. She used to talk to you every morning, man, and she full out, you feel her filter her mouth fair sometimes.
Yeah, she drop out, you know. Miss what's your name there from Spanish Town side, Ebony Park.
Hold on, Raga, what's up? Raga.
What's she doing? What? Jesus,
Oh, they must say the window. They must say your window. Them look like you in an asylum.
Man, look on people. Them alright, that thing and whatever. You understand? You know, TamFam them rank, man. I not ask the person who said that and thing a teardrops them about. Teardrops them about, yeah.
That just
I can't fly. I need you to talk to somebody else, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. She named Jody.
I never a nice wife, man.
No, I'm a nice wife.
I never a nice wife. Me don't try me remember what
Miss,
she
man, and she blind, man. She blind, man.
Yeah, man. That same lady. Jody, what to Jody now?
Christina soon tell me her name. She named Jody Fashion Addict. Talk to her. Yeah.
What? I wish I should have Jamaica or foreign.
Well, she one of them women there, you know, you can't study hard way enough like me now, the only thing, you know, she liable for it. Is a girl, she with the Dubai, she with the South Africa, she with the China, she with
Miss
the
Thelma.
Miss Thelma. Yeah, man, Miss Thelma.
Yeah, Miss Thelma.
Somebody write Elma. Yeah, but not Elma, Thelma.
No, but that person like Jody where we there at any of those sophisticated state at any given time. I can't cross any line with her, man. I'm not like Munchie where I look here package.
No, man. But yeah, what want you talk to her about that thing, right? Her mother grew her good, see?
Eh.
Her mother grew her good, right? Her mother grew her in her church and all them something there, whatever. And I know say recently me hear say, you know, she over money and the woman come in and she have a job fence and all them something there and run down the road and that.
No, but Raga, you have to.
I'm not tell people how to live them life. I'm not tell people how to live them life and things. And she have to do stuff. But I just think she had PR stage of her life right now. You know, she should not take man and a jump fence when she take him man and all. So, what do you think about that? What do you think about that?
No, it's something, it's a disease, you know, Raga. And when man is in light and when man is our light and our salvation, it's hard for her not to go to people yard and encounter occurrences like those. So
Right.
It's something that she can't avoid. It's in her blood, it's in her DNA. If she name Jody, man in her business. If she name Jody, love man. Love man. Yeah, man,
Hey,
love
the
man.
Jody and the Munchie, the Jody
Yeah,
and the
man,
Munchie,
love.
the dog.
When you say Jody, when you say Jody, then get giddy when he come out the man. Just say man, and then just get excited. Because it's something what she can't
Yeah.
control. Even though her mother
No,
taught
but
her well, and then true, she
yeah.
probably have one little something what she have where either she have one little bottom or one little cute face or one little pretty something about her. Man at her disposal at things. She come like ATM.
What do you mean? No, no, go so far with it. Go so far with
No
it.
man, ATM she don't know if to withdraw herself. So I mean,
Me not
me
get
not
it. So believe that. No, I believe you mean say like, oh, okay, alright. No, I believe you mean say I would if I want to withdraw or talk. I mean, like I said, don't break your blood clot.
no,
So
no, no,
I
no,
never tell you
no.
if I go so far.
Let me tell
Never tell
you,
you if I go so far.
enough man coming up, but I know enough man get through.
Well, look what she write about what she lives somewhere and what? Stop touch up yourself when you hear me name Raga. What did I get there and what? Something with tight and whatever. Oh, man, I look for her, but Floyd, no, she and I chat. Just talk to her directly and just say, do what you do. Take who you take, but nobody jump no fence when, If you ever take a girl, man, you have to be
Jody,
bad girl and all them something. Yeah, talk to
Jody,
her.
Jody, if
Yes,
you're
yeah.
going to trouble people relationship, do like Melissa.
Eh.
Go to low line
Yeah.
areas.
Yeah. Go to low line here.
Yeah, go to low line areas where you have good escape. Yeah, no, go to no go New Kingston with the high rise building them. Go low line areas. Yeah.
So when you run, you can just run on the street.
You can just run on the flat. No have no way to
Run on the flat, no.
And make sure when you go, every house have an exit, an emergency exit.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Yes, man.
I could have make she love man, Saraga.
No, she not. No, I don't want you think say she careless, She not careless, So and I like she money and thing, cause she rank your fucking rank, you see. Let me tell you, say she rank,
Oh, but she don't always
No
a
man, if
finance
you pass a
person,
place
man.
with her, man. No man, if you pass a place with her, she check you properly, man, and dress you down and run on your blood clot, man. Tell her she turbulent with it. But what me I say, the man when she did that take a pan, she like him.
Oh.
And when them dead and whatever, and me say them in the mingle what them a do, and me don't know. It look like you did hear the mix up, you hear the Pandy Rock mix up with the big neck, big back girl will come in pam Pandy Rock and throw her through the window and things.
Yeah.
And then probably she probably fear that,
Probably,
And thing, and me hear say,
hey,
well,
Raga, so some people
Yeah.
listen to your show and wish them would have in some situation like what them hear about.
Well, I'm
No.
just a good morning to somebody here. Well, I can never pronounce her name, Shiamaka. What's your affectionate name again? Yeah, but a little cute name over. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah. You said what you say I know, Fly?
No, me I say you have
Well,
some
you-
people listen to your show and hear some situation and just wish them could have put themselves in the position to get fling out and drop and rock, So probably that I wanna draw the fetish.
Well,
So and then you see you got
no,
caution me
because
now. You got caution me now,
yeah,
And me don't know where she then now. Next thing me I walk out half a tree tomorrow or Wednesday and me just somebody drape me a pavilion and say, you that chat up your mouth and rag.
no, she not that type of person.
Oh, okay.
She not that type of person.
Hey, yeah, give me
But
mix
she
reaction
real.
about Jody now, man.
No, but I'm just no, me never tell you say she a bad girl gonna beat you up and thing. But just tell you say she a take man and woman come and she have to run and jump fence. You
So it
know?
is a one-off
Whatever,
situation
but
or a regular the woman Bokaro.
me don't know if a regular, me just hear about that time that one day when she had jump fence and me just I said that grown blood clot woman right now with her degree and how much business and what she have. It don't look good. It don't
Yeah,
look good,
no,
Jody. You
no.
have to stop it. It don't look good, Jody. You have to stop it. It don't look good. It don't look good for you. It don't look good for your mother. It don't look good for your family and thing and whatever. You can't take man and thing and when woman a come here push off the man and fire and run out and a jump fence and all them something. It don't look good, Jody. You have to stop it, man. I'm just attack you as a friend.
So no, sir.
Aye.
You can imagine when
Aye.
Jody explain her situation to somebody. You know, Janice,
What you want, bro?
Janice, I cannot believe it. I was so comfortable in the man dwelling, you know. And all of a sudden, a big commotion just started. I don't even know when I left my slippers over the fence. Listen, me, Janice, I had to take away myself indefinitely. Janice, I'm never going through this again. Never. This is not how my mom
Yeah,
taught me.
yeah,
I've
yeah,
heard
yeah,
about situations like this, and I never thought that I would have been in that situation. Good me that
yeah.
had my degree and went to school. I went to one of the best high schools they provided in Jamaica. And look where I
No,
find
she have
myself.
degree from you. She have degree from you. I taught her at you.
Oh, you taught her at UA? So you never see that
Yes,
side, you never
yes.
see that side of her there when you're a teacher.
No, except for one day. A two class she take with me, you know. And it's just one day. I have apart from that, she do her work, you know, do her school work and them something. A bright girl, man. Except for one day.
For the
One
people
day.
and we are talking about
Well,
Raga and the pillar, hold on Raga. For the people we are talking about Raga and the pillar, Raga mountain at the down
what
there,
am I
so
say?
yeah? Raga mountain at the down there,
What
so
am I
look
say?
up to the man face where they at there and talk to the man and
I would
stop
have.
watch the pillar.
I saw them staying and them terribly sick. No, so when I said Floyd, one year, you would have called them kind of, it's like, it's a material, you want to say like it's a towel, you know, like towel, but not towel, you know, but it kind of have like a soft, kind of fleecy type of something like that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So she wear one full suit of that one, pink one, figure hugging and thing, and beer print out and all them something. It was so fucking inappropriate. Like problem to teach the whole time in the class.
So Jody,
And you
this
just say
spotted
one.
you.
Let me tell you something, man. Girl have a piece of weight that fly. Let me tell you. Me don't know how she squat on people because when she squat on people, she not supposed to be able to come back up. Too much weight dry her down this and I tell you. You understand? You hear what
Chat,
I say?
you know, your Raga in chat.
Yeah, yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? Man, if I just tell, man, if I let out the class early and kind of, I said, listen, don't wear no clothes like that, come to the class again, okay? If you're wearing the clothes like that, come to the class again, you're not going to stay in the class. And she said, sorry, sir. She said, sorry, sir, I won't do it again. Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
And that's someone could have get to teach the rest of the class of the semester with her out of herself. You know?
Why, Jody,
Yeah.
you left a lasting impression on the professor, man. Eh?
But,
So
well, but no,
she was a shrimp or a
what?
lobster.
If she was a shrimp or a lobster,
Yeah.
well, she was a very healthy lobster. I
Where you
tell you
said the
something.
meat was all in the tail.
You know, so I never respond to that. I leave me there. Because I'm not sure what you ask me this.
No, man, Jimmy Shrimp are the little small marga one them, the lobster, the thick body one them.
Yeah, man, no, proper lobster. No, that fly that. I don't know you use Jimmy shrimp, man. I must say I use Jimmy
See,
shrimp
Jody
long
said,
time.
somebody said Jody was a king crab.
Yeah, well, with my elevator climb, man. You know, that carrying some big thick cloud, and the cloud was trunks the door.
Jody
Yeah.
said meaty. Jody said she did meaty.
No, she go and use a word and make alien too cute. Go here, I am a woman over here named alien too cute. Alien said, don't let some meaty. I she had the meat shop, so make Jody come talk about meaty and make alien too cute. Go here and go down her. Like she want to come take my alien title. You understand? So,
All right, Jody. Jody, don't worry yourself, darling. Just avoid.
But CBS said, Jody soon fling one big rock stone from. Jody can't throw no stone over here.
Yeah, no.
First of all, Jody don't even know if you throw a stone. Jody doesn't look like one of them women they who have a throw a stone. You have some girl that throw a stone flying and see them here.
That's very gay. Do that again, Raga.
Well,
Do
no,
that
I'm
again.
going to show you the girl and go and wait a minute.
No, Raga, do that. Show over and show it again, Raga.
I'm not look for you, you know. All right, yeah, all right, here.
Hey,
Show
show it
you
and
the
say down.
here.
Raga, show it
Down.
show it and say down.
No. Wait. Well, you must give man a show. No, big and serious going on. Like,
Hey.
you know, you must give man where you can show a stone or whatever. There's
No,
nothing
man.
about them are wire and show things enough like.
No, unfortunately, I live in Jamaica for so many years. I mean, I have no confrontation with that.
No, I'm not talking about confrontation. Because
Yeah,
I
no,
said,
I
see,
mean,
you
I never see gay fight it.
never see gay man fight it.
No, sir.
Yo, I mean, know people have this stereotype say gay man effeminate when they fight. But you see, bully for gay man fight at Jamaica. And then, you know, some of them don't like what you say this and thing, but when them a fight, for them fight, no normal enough like.
No, man. For them,
No man, them dangerous man, them go hard with them fighting, man.
I could
But
have
we
just
not talk about that, you know, because you know them will come, you know, say them will come say
yeah.
homophobic and all. Remember them used to beating about that and all that thing. So,
Yeah. And
what is what and thing. So like, when we chop at Jamaica, man, we have to do a show, you know, line it up with Johnny, you know, man.
yeah, man, it's a weight by you out there, you know, regardless you fi say the word, you know, man. Would I
Yeah,
like
man, I want to do a stand-up thing, you know, because my stand-up thing up, you know, I line up a stand-up show for next year, you know, Ragashanti live, you know, so,
Yeah,
you know,
man.
say,
You better if you take on back the road,
you
me don't know
know.
you get the lack of days, brother, because the market there wait for you. Me know so right now you can full all national arena if you come back here. Me not ask price.
No.
What you mean no?
No.
What you think?
Like, you know
Most of your people
how
them
much
gone?
mix up and blend that we keep. You think you know how much mix up and blend that we keep a national arena, though?
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, Sir Raga, man. Remember, you don't have a piece of following back of you like Pied Piper, you know.
No, but hold on, you know the most memorable, I bet you couldn't tell me the most memorable thing happening in a mix up and blend that national arena.
I did what again?
You remember when me, and I don't mean this in a derogatory way, but you remember when me and the little lady there who, you know, referred to as a Duvar, remember when me and I did that dance?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And to she look a bit and thing, you know, could have bounce her and then could be there. Yes, we master. So you remember that, man?
I will merely fire up and have her and I like a little baby. I wish
So they fly
a
them,
long time I not see
them time
Shanti,
they
you
would
know.
well, them time they would it terribly, you know, dog.
Yo, she did want dash out by you differently still, you know.
No, you're mad, man. I never go there, some man. No, man. And a big man still, you know, but
Raga,
no, You see,
It would have been.
hold on. You see, even though she a big woman, me no know. And me like woman who me can lift up and bounce though, you know, but no
Brother,
lift
remember
us up.
she did have one little cock upness about that. It would have just be a sharp moment to the honor, you know.
No pun intended, short moment though. Okay, alright then.
I remember she did have a good man who used to come suck out her tongue.
Yeah, the tall brother there. Yeah.
Tall brother.
That man with a big kissing and thing and
Why
yeah,
man?
what Jody say? What Jody say? I said, what Jody say?
And you're 6.
And yeah,
And you're 6'2",
and
mighty.
you're 6'2", mighty.
Why you did look like David and Goliath
she-
confrontation, man?
Yeah, no, man, no, if you not look right, you not go there, you know. You not look right that time, you not go. No man, but she did jiggy though, you know. She didn't always a nice up her show, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
She's
it's a nice
with
appreciation.
herself, man.
Yeah.
Go out with herself, man. But saw when we did bring in Lemon for come do the preaching, and me and Johnny out
Yeah, man.
and Pastor bleach powder and deacon cake soap.
Yeah, when I remember Mr. Biggs.
Yeah.
You did have Mr. Biggs Raga, and you did have Ras Raga. And which what else you did have again?
I said them going batter
What else you did?
Floyd and him mouth, you know. Yeah.
Oh,
you know-
I will say that. Yeah?
Goal
Yeah.
goal sitting on that so.
Anyway, people just want to remind them, I'm over Thailand right now, and I put together, you know, I organize everything for another trip for add to the TamFam travel. You know, set a trip, so I done most of the Ghana trip. Lock up already. We bring several groups to Ghana already. I know that already. We have a next group. We're going in April. So we even have 4 more slots for that, you know. So if anybody want to come on the Ghana trip in April and thing, I want to know, say, Ragashanti is a qualified voice, you know, jiggy and fun and thing, but at the same time, the way this trip is conducted, you know, may explain the Jamaican relevance, the Jamaican connection between the different things, and the pride, if you know how really connected Jamaica is to, you know, the Ghana experience and thing, you know, with respect to our ancestors. When you go up on that trip, yeah, you know, people love, when them go there, them love. They say, why, them come just like we, and I always correct them, and I tell them, say, no, we come just like them, because we are of them. Our ancestors come from Deso. Our foreparents come from Deso. And that's why when Jamaicans go on this trip, it's like so much of Jamaica makes sense to them, right? But part of the reason for that is that me carrying to the different spot them and thing and whatever were relevant to the Jamaican experience and relevant to the collective identity of Jamaicans on a whole, right? And it's always a gratifying, exhilarating, deep, meaningful, spiritual, it's heavy too, I'm not gonna lie, right? Because I'm gonna learn some things, but it's heavy, you know? And it's also fun though, you know? That the Ghana trip, you know, we do that pretty much every April. And then next year, you know, we're gonna add that trip, yeah, the Thailand trip, you know, which is more of it's still a learncation too, but it's more fun and, you know, Bangkok and Phuket and boy, I fly me, I tell you, say, if
You know,
find it,
you see who they on the live, Raga?
with a solid,
On the solid.
a she at her,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not what, so what, you have a problem with solid on the line?
Yeah, because one time I go to her house at Queens, New York, and she give me one nice
Yeah.
jacket, you know, Raga, nice, you know, them little, like Adidas pull-up jacket that will zip up.
Yeah.
And she said, brand new and thing, you know. I'm true, me not get no things from people for regular. But take it cause me's a Adidas person. Me like Adidas brand. You know, say next time I go back, I
So,
saw this solid. Next time I
yeah.
go back our house,
Yeah.
our son me see in our bottom.
The bottom hour.
The bottom of the suit is a suit, but I just the top she give me. And give her son the bottom.
So what you know? So why you only tell the people about the jacket?
Eh?
Eh? Why you only the jacket you tell the people them about? Why you never tell them about the other things the machine here?
The other things, eh?
Yeah, remember say she did give you a pack of 6 toilet paper the way you tell her thanks for or whatever, because you
No,
never
because
repeat. Remember you tell her say you never ever use them soft toilet paper the year time she gave you the one them with the ugly with the beer on it and the toilet paper roll out the one with the beer on it or whatever. Remember you did a show it up and I say, yeah, big respect to Sandy Sally because she gave you some soft toilet paper, you never use soft toilet paper yet. You can't tell the people them that and thank her again. Thank her again, man.
no, brother, remember say me did so excited about it that a tulips me use a Jamaica, you know. Every t-
Yeah,
every time you yeah man, you have some toilet paper named tulips, don't you, man? When you use them there you have to go to farm to go buy preparation H. Cause them kinda rough.
Them
Them
rough.
kinda rough round there, you know. Them kinda rough round there.
Yeah.
No man, when you go to Sunday solid house, you can pack barrels still in a ragga.
No man, let me tell you something, man. The amount of people Sandy Solid help and look for. And she
No
always
man,
do
when
it
you
with such well on the Floyd. She always
hey.
do it with such enthusiasm and gusto and she just animated and excited to help people and get this for people and run up and down for people and whatever and thing. That's what she say, you know.
Yeah. Yeah man, man, I tell you, sir, our house, when you go in our room, man, you know no space to lie down on our bed, cause everything she tell you, say, them a go to Jamaica and I don't know when them a go in our barrel.
A regular thing that man. It's a lifetime I think that with her. She ever help people. Ever
Yeah, man.
help people, ever do for people and think. Ever think about people and
But
run up
me
and
the
down
kind of me the
and
feel
she
a way, man,
enjoy.
because I feel a way, man, because when I see the little boy in the sweatpants, I mean, I say, look, how me could I get the complete suit, and she tell me, say, a brand new something she buy.
Right,
Only,
let's be
only
talking
for
that,
see,
yeah.
only for go see me in a slippers and white t-shirt and the same Adidas bottom.
Fly, let me tell you something. The first time he traveled was when I was at with the Jamaica National School of Drama. I would go England in our song. You hear me I say?
Eh.
Alright? And then when I go up there now, when I'm a mother friend, say if I'm a mother friend, you know say a older man, right? And the
Mm.
woman give me one 3-piece suit for wear come down. And them time them I just start travel, so I never really have sense, you know? And I never wear 3-piece suit from a barn.
But
So me just get excited and I put that on the 3-piece suit. They must say a summer me I come back in a fly.
humble lad.
And then now you did have one lotion up there named the lotion named Nivea, right?
Yeah.
But when you put on the lotion in England, it make you cool or whatever fly. But it's not a lotion for you wearing in the sun. So you know say boy rub down beard and rub down full with the Nivea fly and put on in 3-piece suit and I want plastic black shoes which she give me and thing fly. Yeah man, I force me to travel, you know. And you know so I feel some hot because when I come back, I said, them dead now. I
You
always told
did,
me live
you
them
did,
time
you
there, you know.
did.
I said, no, I said the whole of them dead now when we drop back in a 3-piece suit for a foreign. But I said, a real idiot foreigner, you don't know what going on, you know, fly. Fly, you know
You,
that's something.
Yeah.
But then when you step out of the plane at the airport and the Jamaica heat lick you,
They
you
know
know
the
that's something they
hot.
don't.
They must say hot to
You go on a flight, they don't know say flight, and then days they you know have the tube of walking, the gangway, you have to come out and walk down the stairs, Flight, you see, by the reach the bottom of the stairs, like me never understand dehydration them time there, I never know say it was dehydration. I remember by the reach the bottom of the stairs that paid me one pay until the flight. Water in my suit. Then the time the nippy I think the fly the back to water in man. I mean I said that I so much water in my suit. Then the time I have my fly, then the time I have my 3-piece suit walk for put on and put it on, cause I'm dizzy. But dizzy man, I tell you something I wonder. So you know, so when you come down the stairs now, you have to walk a little bit before you can reach the door for go in the spot the AC there, So I know, say I walk and I go, and I say it's like the blood clot door looks so far, remember, I'm dying to reach the door, look, I'm never pass out, and that 3-piece suit, man. And then now, in my mind, remember I say I post me I wear 3-piece suit now, like old man thing, and in my mind, you can't take off the jacket, because then if you take off the jacket, you know, style, So in my mind, you have to keep on the jacket, because you need to see the blood clot 3-piece suit.
You have to keep the image, you have to keep the image.
Yes, man. Yes, man. So they have to see me cherry wine and 3-piece suit. So I don't take off the jacket, man. Like my beard and make you go into the AC part, man, and then, you walk go down and we go through. I remember go through immigration and thing, I tell you, say, even though the AC on, it's still, whatever, Then fly, I'm not gonna lie, them days they do. When we come out at airport, we never have no ride, I have to take a bus go town and then take the other bus from town go August town. I don't want you to laugh, man. So, I say, I just, the 3-piece suit, I just take my suitcase to when we come out at airport, I walk go down to Burger King and cross the road, go back to the bus stop, I'm stand up out there and I tell the fly, the sun take me, man. I tell them I'm problem, And I say, water in my suit. I'm not take off the jacket, because they need to see me in my 3-piece suit. What you mean? I come from England. First time boy go foreign and come back a style for the crowd. And it's when we look back at one picture on it, I said, then somebody look terrible, but when me in it, me think me look good, But when you look at it, when them say Floyd I come and thing and your pants short and thing, because the pants is really above my ankle. You understand?
Hey, Raga, you never know, so nothing would not really come from England for a long time.
No, I lie, I tell you, Them days,
No, man, English people dress the worst, brother.
No, but I'm not going to say nothing good. No flag, you forgot to say, nowadays when you're in, if you never have lens from England, Turkey, or whatever, I want you. Them days, man, Turkey and wool, and them lens and them things, England, them come from.
I'm ask you something, when you come off of the plane and I walk go towards the airport, it never come like a flag you have on, hear the whole breeze that blow the clothes.
No, man, the breeze never blowing up.
No,
know
man,
that suffocating heat never grab you, man. But I true, me have on the Navy lotion, I can draw the heat, and water, Yeah, man, this when we reach August and come off of the bus, man, and I come up, man, and thing and I go on my yard and whatever. That time I hold it like a G, and put on the 3-piece suit walk, and thing and then go in my yard, and as I reach in, I just grab off the clothes quick, man. You want to see my auntie, and I say like, well, come with one. And she said, I want to tear mess the suitcase that every man be tired. And still
that time of the suit.
But me really tired, No, man, me really tired, but me never know something dehydrated. Me never understand them something at them time about dehydrated. But me really dehydrated, right? But true, me want pause and think, and I come off my bus, come off my bus and grab my suitcase and make a straight walk right at my yard. But when I reach in, I'm tired because the suitcase is heavy. But The tired now coupled with the dehydration and the whole heap. Hey, when we take off the suit them or whatever, you know, the wear all the vest. Remember, some have a shirt under the vest, you know. But the shirt soaking coming from the vest, you know. And you know, when the vest wet now, it change color. Yeah. And I saw one of my cousin jacket did I say, but all that no match or whatever, and I saw my auntie say, you know, say I wet the vest wet. I do see him color but the vest wet. You understand? Yeah, man. So we have to give respect to Oogie and look at something for your style and come back from foreign and then go here. You see? You know, and started to murder someone. Our fly gone, people.
I want me there, man. I some email me actually. Supposed to go up on the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, my brother, now we come down to Jamaica at some point, you know, because you see all this thing at the one Melissa. Right now, anybody named Melissa, you know, I mean, I want to do too load up, nothing, you know, just kind of stay down and look at car and nobody go and enough no way and whatever, you know. And just use on a pet name, nobody use on a real name, right? If your name Melissa, feel like the next at least 2-3 months and thing, we don't want
You know, so I got this
style of your name.
I got this star woman here, you know, brother. I got this star up, you know. Sandy solid, man.
Wait.
She follow some long time things, man.
What?
She follow some long time
Oh,
things.
what she said? What she said, remember a neighbor Wi-Fi flying there.
She follow some long time things, star. One time she ever called me. One time she called me, I'm here for a take time talk. I'm going to tell her the reason why. And she still come up on the live and load it up.
Nah, yeah, solid. Nah, you shouldn't. Supply, they still do that, boy.
Raga, you know how much internet bill long at Jamaica? When I push up the window. You know how much internet bill long at Jamaica? Have an extract.
Fly, in a big star, man.
Yeah.
Fly, before you go, I'm going to ask you a favor, yeah?
What, no, hold on.
I'm going to ask you.
What big star have to do with it? You switch for did them there and on the internet them thief for aisle? You switch for
Fly, before you go, before you go, I'm going to ask your permission for something, yeah?
Yeah.
And if you say no, I'm not going to ask you about it. But if you say yeah, I can ask you about it, then I'm going to, you know, mention it. All right. So you remember one thing when it happened to you with somebody and thing, and when it happened to you, you do a thing there and you come on and you tell the whole away. Each one away what me, IT, fancy, you tell the whole away what happened to you. And you say, I would say, then why you not tell me something like that? And you say, may I make sure I tell them first, may I make sure say me tell them so I want to hear so I just want if I can ask you about it. You remember when I talk?
I want that.
Alright, let me get. No, if you say I can't ask you about it, I'm not ask.
No, man, you can't ask me
I end up sit down on one wall early in the morning because when you go there, you never see the person, but you end up sit down on the wall and wait for them.
What you talk
Long
about?
time something.
You talk about the bun situation?
What? Yeah.
Well, for the person we talk about, me can't take mouthing and toothing and him give it. It's not so serious, darling.
Hey, I pay them no mind, man.
No,
So I can
man.
ask you about it. Eh?
Yeah, remember me I go tell you the fullest. Cause I remember we used to mix up, you know. No, remember say me I live my good life, you know. A 3 vehicle me about to do, you know. So Bun teach me a lesson.
Alright. So people, when I'm flying, you can jump in and think. People better tell us a fly that you can sample, you know, people. You know, I say, back in the day, the whole way I juggling, you know, I keep a show them, man. You know, like me, did I keep enough show. IT and Frantic, I keep enough show. And I come at the thing, shut and asylum on Tuesday night, took over. Many things we are going with and whatever. So we have a little group away, you know. So fly, I didn't have a little girlfriend there, you know, whatever. People may not lie. Them days of you see flight say you to a woman I just shade that and fly that a man him going hard. Full 100 him going. I just feel thing that. Then the
Yeah.
time that somebody like me a proper worrying of people. When I tell you say me I do road, sneaking
Yeah.
like wow, man. And other man and fly we see me pan ass and look a screech and move. And one thing with me I deny it right down, and not even my friend them I tell. So fly did always I tell me and I said, why? You know, admit nothing, but you think we don't know, say, yeah, you did go so you see over so, but me I deny everything right through, I'm thinking whatever. So me I said, at the time, now me I said to fly, say, yeah, when you not live your life or whatever, you just 100% into this woman and fly, say, I'm in love and I want to marry her,
Yeah.
right? People, you don't know, say one day, Floyd come to me and say, Raga, I'm going to tell you something. I'm just want to know, I'm tell fancy. I'm going to tell IT already, so I make sure I tell you. So I said, oh, okay. So you know, say, I'm not call her name, but my question she name Jody, right?
Yeah. Right.
This is a hypothetical, right? But we know her name. So Floyd say, you know, say, I think he did make somebody drop him off Ron and Jody, right? And Floyd say, when him go there and knock on the door, him hear. So, this other woman who Floyd say, I'm going to marry him and I love him. So Floyd say, I'm knock and knock him now, go on. No, the sit down for a while is different. So if someone knock and knock him, she not answer or whatever, so Floyd say, go on the side of the place. And he hear one man a put it on Panama in there and Floyd say, when you say yourself, Floyd, like, yo, who that thing there with my woman?
Raga, me
Yeah,
tell you, say,
when the people, a flight come and tell me this,
hey,
So I
me
said,
think that,
flight,
me
you
think,
really I tell me this flight said, me I make sure me tell you so you get the story straight. So I don't,
hey,
so you get it. So
but
come
me
most
think,
of people that talk other things.
me think I
Yeah,
show
no,
them
I
in
talk
there watching
that.
Raga.
You think
I don't know, say, you don't know, say, I me there with the girl, And the girl called police to come put me out of yard.
yeah,
But me
but
did that. As that
flight.
happened to me, cause me did there the club good. And left and take taxi gone round a woman yard, go buck up in a disaster.
But you must surprise her, I'm not gonna surprise you.
And when the police are say, big man, you have trespass from the people and property, you have to leave off. So me I say,
No fly. Oh, you reach this, you reach this. You hold on, man. Talk about when you tell you, say, leave, go away and leave. And you say, man, I left my woman. I'm gonna left my woman. You are my woman. I'm
no,
can't send a young man in there, make them nice, then I make them sound them. I'm not leaving. I'm
but
not
Raga,
leaving.
and the police are in between me, she and the man, And you want to see the man tell me good night when him a come out of the house. Man, good night, boss. Good night, my boss.
Hold on. The man who did a shell out and make sure
Then I
that he
shell
was
long
a
her
good
tell
night, my
me good
boss.
night. He was a very manners-able
Fly.
individual.
But
And then
people,
when
being
when me look
serious.
now, the man drive gone now, me, she and the police out there talk and chat, tell the police them all kind of something. And she said, me I come go on my bed. And the police I go drive left me so Mr. So officer, may I reach back from asylum. The man to figure out that boss.
And I saw you end up just sit up on the wall out there because she never let you in door.
She did eventually let me in, man, because me did start clap like mosquito bite me. You know, so
See, let you.
as bad as how woman is sometimes, then we feel sorry for you after one little while. But Raga, me never
No, but
that I
people,
remember that.
no, people, hear what I go on now. People, hear what me I say TamFam. We don't read the play, And I'm not this woman and nothing, but You know, as a man, one time you meet some woman and you know, say the woman they can't tame, you know. So if you go there, so you know, say you go there, so go have a little fun, and she gonna have a little fun with you, and you know, I'm gonna keep on the mouth shut, I'm gonna do and cut, see. So we did a try to tell Fly to fly, because I want to have them woman they who, you know, hot girl, you know, proper hot girl, you know, man. Let me tell you, hot girl, you know, man, long fingernail. You know, here do 3 times a week, all them something that, you know, no repeat clothes and all them brass there, you know. I got one of them one there, you know. And I saw that tell Fly to fly, go easy, dog, cause, yeah, when I think she dep on the love thing the way you dep on it, Fly, so I'm gonna marry her.
You know, say, me didn't know, so that's why you go move and stop your fry in your tracks.
Them ask you,
Because now that you talk about
what?
it, now that you talk about it, you know, it come me get back in my feelings about it, you know. I did one try,
What years that for?
but I true me did rate you,
20 odd years that, you know.
Because I know the police
Well,
say me
like
not
20
come back
odd
home
years
say
that.
something, you know.
You know,
know.
the police them did ever come back and say,
Yeah, me know the police say me not come back home say something.
people again, me I tell them, you know, and nobody come tell you, a fly come tell you all the way, all of, and then the crew, one man, you know,
I have to
tell
show you how
everybody the
long
story.
that is, Raga, some 30 odd years ago that, you know.
Yeah, 30 odd years ago, yeah, yeah. Well, no, about 20 enough, about almost 30,
Hey, Raga, you see after that?
almost 30.
After that,
Yeah,
you know, me and her still good back again, you know. Me I tell you, me there in her house and comfortable, you know. One night time the woman get up out of the bed and say she go drink some water. And by the time she reach her fridge, I mean her fridge I get her the back, you know. Me no tap watch her, brother. And she go up the fridge door, so I mean say, hey, see water, I drink it, man.
listen to me. You said I watch you man something there.
Hey,
Nah,
Munchie.
with me.
Munchie, you know if you come talk about them, that's long and hold on. I which one of them Munchie the one that I like beard. I hope Jordan no comment.
Yeah, she the one that I like there. And Joe the one
Yeah.
who jump fence from her mate. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so Jordan, me and you have
Yeah.
something in common. So now come go on like say, you're better than me. I hope you know in your comment. Just keep quiet.
No, but Joe the thing never said. So you're one different from Joe the.
And a nah
Or you
beard
and
girl
Joe the have
can't laugh
something.
after me. No girl when a beard can't laugh after me. Them level fat type no laughing emoji.
That a true. Munchie for cool and fall back with that. Yeah, that a true.
The way
That
Munchie
true.
no like beard, you should have get one of the prisoner rag them and have it and use it. You know the prisoner rag them, the one them come like blue, purple, orange.
No, me don't know them how they
Come
are.
on. You have to have
Yeah.
the long rag them will sell a shop, man. A prison, a most prison they use them, you know.
Oh, okay. Wait, what is what somebody said?
I would say about I
I
can laugh, I never get bun. Eh? That's what you think, Munchie.
that I wish you think, watch
Eh.
out, watch out. You Munchie must get born already.
Everybody
Munchie
got to
must.
walk a bunning stage in them.
Everybody get some burning and thing. And any woman who not like beard must get born at some point. Man, I go born out of principle.
Yo, it's a
Right?
nastiness
Because
because
I'm
you
not
come in
beard.
before you go bed, you come in a
Yeah,
bed and lie down.
yeah, you know, a non beard woman, a man I go born out just out of principle.
If
And
she
I said, no,
confess
she
that she
can't.
get bun, she could all bun up.
What she
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 just
say
confess
say
that
she
she
get
get
born.
bun.
Listen to me. The whole of them know say when me the young me get born and Tony get a walk in a rain for hours barefoot. A bar. Yeah, them
No,
know about that already. You understand?
me I take my fire from them, you know, Alicia. Me I take my fire. But at the end of the day, nobody will not like beard cannot. I'm not supposed to do over here so laugh after nothing Raga say about me. Go look about them now beard
That's
say.
not true. That's true. Right. And no girl where jump fence from her mate can style you either. Right?
Yeah.
You see Solid say she get born and get the whole bakery there. Baby, big up
Where's some
yourself, you know.
Munchie? Munchie, if I want to come beard you, I will ask some Munchie. Try not offer where you can't take up, you know.
What?
And me come with me, come
What
with
you
me,
say?
me come with my sword, you know.
And well, and but that person I said, Raga, you're halfway across the world and still a cause trouble. That one named Del Marie, she come from one place, I don't know if you know it, the top side Ellis flat, it named Constitution Hill. And them used to have one thing in them community up there, it named the hog riding competition. Flying. Everybody over here know about it already. And she used to win it all the while. So she used to ride hog and was good at it too, because she win the
Which
championship
which
like
which which
several
part
years in a row.
which part is a constipation in there? Eh?
It's a constipation. The top side Ellis flat, man, up in the hill, man.
Oh,
You know
oh,
Ellis
oh,
flat,
oh,
right?
oh,
You know
oh.
Ellis flat, right? Up on
Yeah,
US
yeah,
side,
yeah. When
right?
you go, you will back get this and
Well,
go down.
yeah, alright. That even sound a way, run a back gate and go down. But anyway, you done a Constitution Hill and then you go up on another, no, you go on Ellis Flats and go up on the hill and thing and places she used to do. So she come and she come and run up here and mount to her thing. She can't say nothing because she a hard rider, so she can't do we have PR ticket, so she can't do come over here come hype and what.
Them
You
Raga people
understand
could
what I
have
say?
really ride hog for you.
Yes, man, and she was very good at it, man. If you see when girl grab hog man and bird hog like a jockey and thing, man, and ride the hog and run and a squeal and whatever, and she know to balance up the hog. The minute I get one video with her do it. Somebody send me one video with her do it. I play it for my show and thing, man. Big something. Yeah, if you see where she jump on and jump on for the hog, easy. You know when people are running a catch like bus and you jump on and go and then when you come on and the bus still a move and you run when you jump on thing. I saw you see her jump on for the hog and whatever. And dangerous girl, man. She solid when I'm near Dallas in East Rural St. Andrews. See him so solid. I hope that's how she used to ride the hog there. Yeah, near Dallas. I hope that's side that she come from. I hope that's side that she come from. Where's the solid? The Wi-Fi will fly that thief drop off on your phone down. Yeah, I could have let her reach him for 2 years. Wait, I would tell us about Hillary what? I would Hillary. Constitution Hill, not constipation. A constipation, the man saying, solid say, Floyd can't keep steady. Remember, a bridge Wi-Fi. Floyd, when you the solid say when you thief Wi-Fi and you catch on spot, you have to stay there, you can't do shake, because remember the the near to the router Floyd. If you catch your Wi-Fi, you have to freeze right so you know that. You can't do a move and a shake. Don't you Jason Jones tell him no, right? You can't do move and a shake, so I must have that make flight connection kind of drop off, Alright. Anyway, I'm going to take him down and thing and people again, remember, so we're 12 hours ahead over here in Thailand, yeah? And so what time now? 10:51 in the night, right, And tomorrow, I wake up, I go on temple. I go on temple tomorrow, Anybody else want to come up in the chat right now? Now, I want to be feeling obvious, you know, but you know, sometimes I'll be able to show me an activity, so probably I'll have a little people, you know, I'm feeling obvious, you know, but it is what it is, right? It's not all over, so I'm do what I'm doing here. So, I don't need to be rude. Carrying the road. Peter says she go tired, bro. Tired, nice, man. You got a couple of things here from the trip here. Road trip. I'm on road trip. Ragashanti gotta lead it next year, you understand? Alright, sweet pea, we go to yourself, you know. Next year, November. Next year, November. So it's 1 year from now. So you have enough time, you know. And you can be over time. If you want to check out additional information, TamFam.com. TamFam.com. Exactly, Christina, November 2026. See? Anyway, the garden trip is in April, you want to go? Yeah, man, about 4 more spots, you know, we can 4 more. Limited to 4 more people, only 4 more people can get out into the garden. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pee. Awa. I'm going to pee. Yeah, I have a problem with it. I can't go pee. Make you say outside good, please. When I want to say outside, I've never carried it. I'm sure no outside. Alright, hold on there. No, oh, wait. Hold on. Where this thing ever? How we do this again? Remember somebody did show me one day. Turn on the camera, make the camera switch when you're doing a TikTok live. I remember look, it must be nice. flip camera. Here we go. All right, yeah. All right, let me show you what I'm going on. So outside, well, I don't know if I not see it good, you know, as I reflect though. I go now look a tour. See bathroom there. See tub there. Oh wait, hold on, come on. Wait, let me bring back this thing down. This thing gone up, you know, I need to bring it down. Okay. All right. Shower. Tub. And I'm showing everything. You know, man, show you them people that kind of hype in that place. You see that? It's a small flush, right? And over here, so you have full flush. So, like for me, you know, me only need for you is a small flush, right? See that small flush. But if a Delmarine or Munchie or Jody I use it, them have to use full flush. Cause you know them need more power for bring down for them thing. And you see them have something named posterior wash. Yeah, that wash out your bam bam down. And then feminine wash. Right? Now, I am assuming feminine wash is a coochie wash, which is different from animal. And this is dry. So, I be a thing that I let you go on with. The only thing me like with it, where you not, hold on, let me tell you. Where you not have to set is that the seat is heated. Right? And I like that. Cause that's the only time like heat for there and I, you know, for the round this up on me. You understand what I say? I see it then, I'm going to Boasy toilet them up, you know. And thing. They will come over here, so no. Hold on. I bedroom this thing, but hold on, let me turn on the light. Turn on the light. See it there? I know for I keep up on a frig when I see me alone there for throw. See it there? Nice looking view. So when me I go sleep though, my eye burn me again, you know, man. When me I go sleep, you bring down the weight name there, you know what I say? Right? But now, I know say no for no love for sleep with like the lights, the city lights out and thing. My problem is I don't like when I wake up at morning time and the bright sun come in and I'm not ready for wake up yet. So that's why I have to bring it down from before. not ready for bring it though yet though. Yeah man, I love when it dark. Right, Kimberly? Are you in Dubai? No, I'm in Thailand. Thailand, Jojo. Thailand. Yeah, Kimberly said the place must be dark. Kimberly, you love it dark, don't you? Right. But what is good with this thing, you know? It have the one that will go down and black out the place, yeah? But it have one different one now. Where in a really black out the place. You see that one that will come down? It just kinda like the other one, the one I bring up before black out the place. The one in the black out the place. That one, you know? Kinda, yeah, take off some of the sun, but make you see the people. And me alone in the big old bed, you know what I say? Right? Your boy alone in the big old bed. Right? And I'm telling you, people that chat up the mouth and I spread rumor upon me, say me I do this and that. And lie them a tell upon Miss Cherry Boy, you know. Turn off the light, wait. See it? I mean, I'm on the night bed door. Hey, you say me a real idiot, though. I go on a tour. That's my messy table over there. Laptop, I'm doing all writing and stuff even over here. And go to a cafe. Now, I guess this is a Thai thing, but yeah. You have a washing machine in here? Nah, I use that. And now I'm big old fridge and I look at fridge, the fridge big. And then over this, you know, see microwave down this, you see? And but on stove up on the counter, you know, you see it? You see stove? And one on there. You see stove right there, so? Kind of blending by the counter and you have to see it, but there's a 2-burner stove there. So that kind of X thing there. And then the microwave down here. So. And you know when I using some food that when I have leftover food, I go eat that tamale. See? So much for the tour of the place. I want me to have this now. Yes, I didn't have this. Flip back this thing now. Where this thing I did? No. Alright. Oh. I think somebody did come up in a chat a while ago. Huh? penthouse now, sir. Kimberly, penthouse are for you, you know. You have penthouse money. Ragan have penthouse money. Right? You have Munchie. You have penthouse money. Ragan have them penthouse money, man, you know. You have Munchie and Christina and thing. I want to the penthouse. Yes, Which country this? This is Thailand. Always have cap on, even in bed. You see me in bed? You see me in bed? So Bade, Raga, you know, you see me always have cap on. So Bade, Raga, go rub my body. Raga, when I coming back. See cap Lego there? What's that? I think don't know why when I say when I like when I wear white because I can't get to read the thing though. Yeah, that me a problem I read it too. White and white. Solid. You know, I tell him every day, so me a old man. I tell him every day, so me a old man over here. Don't worry yourself about that, Solid. When I try to weigh him there, every day I tell him me a old man. Them know some man in their 50s and thing. You know, man in their 50s a step up, you know. And thing, them know that. Me not to give them no specifics, but you know, the identity something, the identity thing, they will have to be careful about the internet or whatever. But Solid, I keep it from them, man. Solid, I don't look nobody, you know. It's what I say. When I look nobody, I care zero whatever people want to say about certain things. Now, man, I'm older than 52, man. And I can't go and guess. I love guessing. I miss who there, so. Alright, let me see again. Let me see if Miss Lady will come in here now.
Want me, Raga?
You know, say condolences and thing when I never win the World Series. It was so close, you know.
What you do?
But big up the Jays, big up the Jays, see him, you understand?
Go, Jays, go. You born your girl.
Eh?
Go, Jays, go.
No, it born you.
You don't born me because I'm
You're
not a Jays
side.
fan. You know, I like blue.
You're
I
not
like
a Jays
cricket.
fan.
I'm a
No.
cricket fan. I'm not a baseball.
No.
I'm a cricket fan.
No,
Like
but was
baseball.
it, you never cheer for Canada. It was Canada
I
against the
doesn't.
United States, you know.
No, I don't cheer for Canada. It doesn't matter what Canada playing. I don't cheer for Canada.
So, but you have Canada, you know, have a Canadian flag, you know, by your name.
Doesn't
on social
matter,
media.
does it? Anyways, how you look?
Yeah,
You
so
look
yeah,
like you're
well,
looking nice. You're looking nice in foreign.
So yeah, then I foreign you there too. The whole of our Caribbean people, so. I foreign you there too, no.
You look nice in foreign, me love. So I go on. The last time I said, oh, I've been calling you from what day. I said, I don't get in this old big head, man. Next thing I see you skin out on one couch. I said, what kuya?
Yo, fix up that, man. Fix up that.
Okay,
What do
okay.
you mean skin up?
You spread out.
No, man, skin out. Yeah. No, spread out, man. That skin out and spread out there. No. That's it.
Okay, you cock up.
So you see the
As
boss
we
laid out.
Okay, as we Grenadians will say, you cock up on the couch.
No, cock up, cock up, no boy.
Okay, you lay out on the couch, you're launching. That sound better?
Yeah, lounging, yeah. So somebody put
sorry,
lounging, yeah. Don't tell me about me a cock up, and don't tell me about me a skin out or me a spread out. Them thing there in a Jamaican thing, a straight woman something.
Well, hello, I'm a Grenadian, so I'm going to speak to you in Grenadian, either you like it or not. Hello?
You and me I say.
Watch you. You look at, hey, the juice working, you know, that the juice working. Me say, whoa, watch how the juice are do thing. I me say, if you see, I say, what? The juice working perfect. Especially the beet. The bitter, hey, the bitter and the carrot are handling you properly, your health.
Hey, you know, sense though.
You healthy. Let's put it that. Let's speak Grenadian colloquial. You healthy.
You know the sense though, be.
I said, watch what the juice are do. I said, hey, stand up, let me see. If you see me, I said, if you see me, brush, I said, I saw you are gone.
You know, have no sense.
Especially in the leaning, your pendulum. As you stand up, I see your pendulum swing from left and swing to the right. I say, whoa.
Nothing I swing. Nothing I, you know, see, nothing I swing. Nothing I swing. Nothing I, them clothes that we wear over here, them clothes that we wear, them baggy and them roomy so you can't see nothing.
So I see though, especially when you put up your foot, I say, hey, if you see me try zoom. I say, oh, so you walk, that's what you're walking with? You're walking with a lot of things. Your lumber shop looking good, me love. Rona or Home Depot?
Oh, right, this kind of way name the future. No, it's kind of.
Which number you had? I was wondering which number you had. Home Depot, me love.
No, but they're not free while you know. But because usually they're in a room, you know, so you know, see, like tight things, you know. But me I say, but me I look at it right, I say,
so right now Jamaica is Jamaican and they need a lot of lumber, you know, like a 2x4 and all kind of thing, and you have so much and you're not sharing, you're not packing up nothing.
Shut your ass, man. Shut your ass.
You're not packing up some 2x4 and send down, you have enough. What's wrong, me darling?
So, yeah.
You know me terrible. Can't don't pay me no mind, yeah. How you do?
Yeah. Today I go over in Thailand and line up a trip for next year. You know, I come for the trip next year.
I don't have money.
TamFam travel up in Thailand.
The hair on my front, it can't change when it gray, no, Raga, it's silver, but you don't have value. So, no.
Where you say go your front?
The hair on the front is silver, and it don't have value.
On the front is silver.
The hair on the front is silver. Yeah.
You ever dye it? You ever dye it?
No,
You ever dye it?
No, I mean, that's steam and wax.
Just steam and wax.
Yeah. Next thing the man come up looking like one. Next thing the lady's son, next thing it stain the lady's son face. You must see mattress.
Well, he said next thing he go stain the lady's son face. No, and that's because I tell us that one time when I look at be a black, you know. I mean, I said, I went and look at black I come from and thing or whatever and really. And then this lady did go die her thing, man. And then the dye come out for me.
Hey, you understand?
Next thing the lady come up and say, what? Nah. You cannot afford that. So we go just stick to the steaming and the waxing, you know?
Where's the steaming and the waxing?
Yeah.
Voila.
Stick
Me
to
know
that.
about wax. All steam come in.
Yeah, you just go to the salon and either they wax you and then they put those steam and they put that steaming thing on you and they, you know? Well,
No, what
from
I'm
little steam.
asking, and I might sound stupid, what I'm asking, do you have to steam it to wax it, or steaming is something just different from the waxing?
Is something different from the wax. If you go in the salon and you want both wax and steam, you get wax and steam. If you want wax alone, you get wax alone.
Well, alright, let me put it another way. Can somebody go to the salon and steam down there so alone, just steam alone?
Yes, if you want steam alone, you get steam alone. If you want to wax and steam, you wax and steam.
No, but what the steam do?
It make the coach feel nice, you know, you sit down, you feel so nice when you shave and they put all they put out even a coochie scrub, you know, like how you exfoliate your body, you exfoliate the thing and make it nice and soft and clean.
Mrs. CBS, I say steam alone, yes, and that, whatever.
Yeah, it cleanses
like
it.
Cleanse.
Cleanse something. Yeah.
I'm sure you know. I don't know enough some about women, you know, but sometimes when you bring up some things, I say, but I never know that. I never know some woman steam them from.
Yeah, they could steam. Yeah, they have the thing like a massage thing, and then they put it on top of your something, and then they could, you know, like when you are massaging, and then the steam come out. Yeah. Well, we can explain it right now.
No, I never woman do that for them face. I never know say them do it for them pum pum. I know woman from Jamaica days. When Jamaica days, when time, you know, when time the thing get batter up, you know, when a man deal with it bilious, you have some woman that will get hot water and stoop over the hot water. You know about that, right?
Yeah, but then you
right. So they would do that, you know.
Yeah, you could go to the salon.
Yeah, when the chun get a beaten, but that I don't want to steam and know, I never know say on a go salon and just get to the pum pum steam and then the come never do that.
Yeah. You do that?
Just like how on do on a face, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So wait, so you ever go like a salon and say like you want a facial and a pum shal?
A what?
Like, you know, like you go up here and you get a facial, which include like steaming, and then you also get a pum shal where you steam the punit or whatever. You ever do something
You
like
can do that if you want.
But it look like some woman do that. Some woman do
Of
that.
course,
Look
you
like
just go and you get whatever you
look
want.
like.
There is a lot of different things you could get there in the salon.
Okay. Imagine you're like, yo, I want the double package. Facial and the pum shal. Yeah. You know, like a woman will do a mani pedi.
Yeah.
A woman will do a mani pedi. Right? You can do like a pony facial steam, you know?
Yeah. Could do that.
Anyway, you sound busy, you know, look about the fast food and things, so.
Yeah.
I work
But I
in
chat.
I work in there, I look about the fast food. Yeah. I work
No,
in
me
there,
there
I
work.
look about the fast food.
It's only for no,
Yeah,
me there work.
right.
Me there work. Me there work. Mm-hmm.
So it sounds like you move around pattern Pirates dish, so. Yeah? You don't can move up on Pirates dish or whatever.
Pyrex, this still a keep? You must say cooking Pyrex.
Yeah? No, man, so it sounds like you move around on Pirates
No,
dish.
the microwave plate. It didn't settle because I'm gonna warm up something. So the microwave,
Oh, you have to fix it up.
I'm fixing it so you could
Oh.
stuff. Why you as clean so? And you're like, Jesus, you
Hear
pick
it,
that up?
man.
Oh gosh.
Hear it, and then through CBS one microwave, yeah, thing in a microwave, it never set in right yet or whatever. And it always dirty, you know. CBS
Okay.
I'm used to the sound. Can we just put on CBS ends or whatever and have to fix the
Oh, you just go up on CBS and that's how the microwave sound?
Yeah, because CBS microwave dirty. And the thing never set right. The thing where if you spin pan, it never yet set right yet, you know.
Oh, okay.
And that's how the one sound, you know.
Understand, sir. Understand. Anyways.
You don't know, man, just there and kick back, you know.
Yeah, you're kicking right back. Mm-hmm. Kick back, sir.
I want some sleep, you know, because
you don't want me to come and sit down on the couch by you? I could come and sit. Hey, the couch look comfy now. I would love to sit down by the couch by you and we can just talk. But you know, fine?
Which part ever sit down?
And by the purple pillow, by the purple blanket. You see how you opening and close like clothespin? Yeah, like that.
Don't sit down by the purple blanket. Don't sit down by the purple blanket.
Right, then me want to sit down. Hey, you comfortably?
Let's say you want to sit down now.
Maybe you say you comfortable. Right there, so.
Right, so. You don't have a wall there, so whatever, and stay so up there.
That is it. That is. That is it. Right on the pillow. How you mean?
Problem down. Before you know it, I was bouncing, you know? Bouncing.
Let me tell you how you when you bounce. You bouncing together.
Don't you? Alright, Sonia, that's our word here.
Alright, you ready for the greens?
Yeah, man. For the what?
For the greens.
For the what?
The greens, if you're ready to go in the greens. Are you ready to go down in the greens? You don't pick it up.
You know something now?
You ready to go green in that? Yeah, the whole just called Grenada greens. You never know.
Oh, I saw you said green.
Yeah, greens.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Then that's the time I come.
And that is it. All right, you love it. So you need to get some oil down when you reach there. All right, we go talk. So later, have a good day.
Alright, Bobo, cool, man.
All right, bye now. Take me down from on top the pillow. Take me down from on top the pillow.
No, you take down yourself, man.
But me don't know how. Let me see. Jesus, I'm gonna take. How you do this? Already blow.
Then so you can, you know if you go up, but you don't know if you come down. God. Alright, people, you are going. I'm going to temple tomorrow, you know, so. I forgot to make ask Christina for taking my door. Admin them, you know what I said? Alright, people, that's sleep time now, you know. Just want to remind you that we are 12 hours ahead, right? 12 hours ahead here in Thailand. So it's 11:25 p.m. right now, okay? And I'm going to get some sleep to wake up tomorrow and go over to our temple. Oh boy. Brother, when you reach. When we reach. You see him there when we reach, but I left you. They never tell us if I never bring him on. But you never want to come. You wrote it. Remember I tell us forward and get your ticket, girl. You come roll with me. That's what I said. But you never want to come, man. You gears out the thing, man. See? Oh, God. Okay. I think I sleep time, man. Raga, what? Really? What will my objective be at the temple? No, I'm just going over there to, well, Thailand. The Thai people are very, Thailand is a country of contradictions, you know, like huge contradictions, right? For those of you who don't know, how you explain it? Thailand, well, Bangkok, which is the capital here, which I think is the capital. Bangkok is known for being like one of the craziest places when it comes to freakiness, right? Like Bangkok is world renowned for that. Like a lot of the passport bros, you know, them man they who love go Asian countries and get women and things like that. Like Thailand is one of the first country, probably the first country where they will go for that, right? So Thailand have a kind of a vibrant sex industry that the country don't admit. But Thailand is known for that. It's like, you know, but at the same time, Thailand is one of the strictest and most conservative place there is. And people here are very religious, like very religious across the board, they're religious, right? And you have an institutional framework that accompanies that widespread religiosity that is endemic to the culture here. And that is manifested through thousands upon thousands of temples. There are thousands of temples here. Temples are a big thing in Thailand. Temples all over. And a lot of people go to the temples and they have all these rituals that they engage in at the temple. But it's a big thing, right? The standard greeting from many Thais when they have this word where they say, but then put them on in, you know, like a prayer thing, and then bend and take. So, you know, Asian people, they bow, right, in general, whichever Asian culture you know. But for the Thais, especially, they put their arms together and they bow or whatever. As I mean, I'm just saying this is indicative of you know, that conservatism that is here and that is, you know, reflected in, you know, their culture and their identity. So, and then now the temples now, you know, the temples are steeped in Thai history. There's a whole, the temples and all these significant for the different regions, for the royal family, for the different, you know, peoples that, you know, live here and all this thing and whatever. There's a whole bunch of stories tied to the temples. So a lot of people come to Thailand for different reasons. And then you have those who come over here and they don't care to go to, like a famous street in Bangkok is called Khao San. And over there, so the freakiness going. You jump on the road over there, so be things going over there. Me not go over there, so right? At the same time, you have, in Bangkok, you have a more conservative, quiet area that is done by the riverside, on this quiet, right? But a lot of tourists love down this, because the views and all this stuff and whatever, they love down this. I have tourists who love Khao San, because they love the freakiness and the wildness or whatever, because that them come. I love this area that is called Sukhumvit. And Sukhumvit, it's kind of residential and touristy too. There's a lot of tourists in the area. But Sukhumvit to me, it fit me, you know? But if I bring a group over here and people say, we want to go over Khao San Road, you know, I'll facilitate them going over there. In fact, I'm thinking of going over there one night and doing some filming for content so that we can see it, you know, and thing, you know. But me prefer Sukhumvit. A lot of people I know prefer Sukhumvit. It's like a mid-range. You know, you have a little thing where them still going with things over here. A huge deal over here is massage. Like Thai massage is international, you know. And you can get varying degrees of massages over here. But as some of you already know, in a lot of those massage places, some of them have, you know, you can get some other services, right? So depending on where you want, even in the Sukhumvit area, which is not as racy and crazy like over Kingston and thing, even in the Sukhumvit area, you know, you have places where you can go and buy services, right? When you take the tuk-tuk, because I'm here and them see me alone or whatever, the tuk-tuk drivers, them always want, they were like, yo, you a big guy. You want girl to give you a massage, and then, you know, you get your thing, 3,000 baht, I'll take you. Nice pretty girl. Baht is what that baht is equivalent to dollars, you know, like, so for them money is baht. So they must have 3,000 baht. Like, so even, and I'm in Sukhumvit. So they must tell me, say, no, we can't carry away and get the girl in my thing. And over here, it's just crazy. You could walk into places, there are places over here, even in Sukhumvit. You're going there now, 10, 20 women line up and you pick which one you want, and you pick two if you want, or whatever, and so forth like that. So, anyway, you go in a Bangkok, you can get that, and thing and whatever, you know. But at the same time, in terms of the contradiction, Thais are very conservative, very religious, and that is reflected in the thousands of temples that they have over here. Holy temples, you know. So I want to see it like one of the temples. So I'm going to go over there tomorrow morning and then I want to see a temple. Want to see a mall. I mean, you might say, well, you have a show mall for Raga, but if you're coming here, I want people to see the diversity of things that they can experience. And Thai malls are just modern malls like that we have in America and Canada and wherever, but they do have elements there that is unique to Thai culture, you know. And so I want you guys to see that. Then over the weekend I'm going down to Phuket. And Phuket, you know, it's known for a whole bunch of activities too. But what Phuket is known for is just like these world-class beaches and just amazing scenery and vistas and whatever. That is just, you know, the caricature paradise, like Thailand is, you know, fits that. Phuket fits that. The whole, you know, kaleidoscope of pretty islands and amazing beaches and so forth. That's down in Phuket. And there are other areas of Thailand that has it too, but Phuket is just known for that. So I'm going down there to show you guys some of that too, you know? Alright? Means I like Bangkok because of the movies, right? JJ Mango Phuket is nice. Alright, Talher, as always, you know. LL Lady Boys. Yes, beat and look. Yeah, man, you have some countries, you know. You know, usually you can look on trans women and see the man in them, right? Usually you can look for a trans woman and see the man in them. But from my travels, there are some countries you have to be careful with. Over here, them call them lady boys. And some of them are so convincing. Them fool woman routinely. Same thing with Rio in Brazil. You know, they're known for it too. You know, there different parts of Brazil is known for it, particularly down the Rio de Janeiro side or whatever. They, you know, the trans women, they whatever they do and know them do them thing is, you know, they can be very convincing, you know. So you know, man, they must be careful when they move over here, you know. Hey, my man in my head. Please, what? Please move the pillow so I know the pillow not moving. Pillow not moving. Yeah, this up. Good. Alright, people. Let go here now, you know. Babe, how long this live has been? How long the live has been? Spiritually blessed, big up. Rooted, larger. Sharon. And I see the time of this live, huh? Where you at, Raga? I'm in Thailand. Alright, people. Rather beg a 30 case of water. Feminine police, my division, cut off from Mavis back. I'm tear solid. Yeah, man. I'll deal with that. What time is it here? We're 12 hours ahead. We're 12 hours ahead. So whatever time it is on the East Coast in the US, it's the same time here on the other side of the day. So it's 11:41 in the night now. On the East Coast, it's 11:41 in the day. But of course, on the West Coast, for example, it's 8:41. You know, but over here it's 11:41 right now. Are you in pocket? Oh, I'm not in pocket yet. I'm now in BKK. I'm in Bangkok right now. On the Sukhumvit side. Okay. All right, solid. No deal with that, man. That's the word, man. Boy. All right. Sure. Sure, I hope you're joking, you know, about that coming, you know. Thanks, I came without you. Sure, I hope you're joking, you know. You're joking, right? Because earlier I see when you post about this and that or whatever, and you want to come or whatever, right? I just assume you were joking. Right, Sharon? Sharon. A joke you make, dog. Eh? Sharon Smith, answer me, a joke you make, dog. Nance, big up yourself. No, I have a rose and I gave him your name. Wait, Sharon, you see you? So Sharon, I didn't tell you before when you said you want me to help you for come and them thing that you did serious. And you have a rose and you get a rose, man, you call the rose Raga for true. You serious? Sharon, you serious for real? Hold on. Sharon, you have a rose. You have a rose when you give a name and all this time you did I use the rose for true? And you come? You want to see? Yeah. Well, yeah, show me the rose. Yeah, show me the rose. Wait, Sharon, you are so bad. Seriously? No, big and serious, you know, Sharon. You must say the whole time you think I joke, you know, man. Hey people, they say one Munchie has said you can send it to his DM. She loved the one Munchie I to sit there, you know. Yeah, no. No, big and serious in a share of thing. I'm joking, I'm making an honest little God, you know, because we joke out hard over here, whatever, and things. So I think I joke here, make. And when you come back, I see you take, I see, because I see a post, you know, and I said, no, I need it for help me for come. So I think I joke here, make, see, and when I see you take like a little break and then you come back now, and like you say, like you come by yourself and whatever, like, like we look at attitude to like, but you want you help me for come, but you never help for come, so I just go do it by myself and think like, John, no, Sharon, I saw you roll. And when you say you have a rose and the rose in your Raga, John, no. Tyler, you know, easy, you know. Alright, I hate that till I sleep time now. Tyler. Alright, people. Yeah, my respect, man. Cool. Alrighty. Good night. Yeah, man. It's we're 12 hours ahead of the East Coast over here. For those of you who just my forward, all right. So I hold some sleep, you know. All right, Munchie, cool. Good night, CBS. Culture travel. Big up yourself, man. I'm already here in BKK. Bless up yourself here. Wait, what Sharon say? Kiss me on my palm, please. Okay. Good night, Sharon. Good night, everybody. Good night. Sharon, what is wrong with you? Jesus. Good night. You tired, you can't ask big man for come kiss you on your palm.